As the CNFT space evolves, we are seeing more and more drops every day. Some being good and some being bad, which if you're new around here, this can be difficult to distinguish. If you're in that position, today is your lucky day because I'll be giving you 2 CNFT projects that I will be minting this weekend and that I believe have huge potential. If you want a huge return on investment and you want to be seeing what exactly I'm doing this weekend, keep watching. What's up nerds and virgins, it's your boy Ape Crypto, and today I'll be giving you 2 CNFT projects that I'll be minting this weekend that I believe have huge potential. As you can see, this is my 4th episode of this series, and I'll be coming with a lot more. So if you don't want to miss out on any drops and you want to make huge return on investments from newly minted CNFTs, I suggest you like this video to help out the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. That could be the difference between missing out on a drop and getting in on a drop. So make sure you do that, as I cover Cardano NFTs daily, and I do my best job to give you the best projects as early as possible, so you can get them at the same time as me. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT. I tweet a ton about CNFTs, I give my opinion on CNFTs, and I also do a ton of CNFT giveaways. From NFT giveaways to ADA giveaways, you've got plenty of chances to win as I do these daily, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. Alright, now let's get stuck into these 2 projects that I'll be minting in the coming days. So the first one is Lucky Lizard Club, and this has been on my radar for a while. So I actually found these on WhenCNFT, and I've been hooked since. As you can see, they're lizards and they've got a host of different traits, which all look incredibly good. The art is super clean and everything looks amazing in my opinion, and it's something I'll definitely be trying to mint myself. So aside from the art, there's a couple things that stand out about this project to me, a lot more than others. The first thing that stands out is the scarcity. So with this drop, there will only be 1,000 lizards minted, which is a crazy low number, considering the generic thing is 10,000 NFTs. And so because there's only 1,000, they're 10 times more scarce than other projects. So even if they get 10 times less demand, these assets will still be valuable because they're super rare, which is something as an investor you like to hear, especially because the mint price is only 30.88. So I really do think this could be a profitable investment if you manage to be one of the lucky 1,000 to get your hands on it. And to make it even more scarce, the first 500 people who join the Discord will get a drink, and that drink will be given a choice. 1, hand it in along with your lizard to receive a Retro Raptor in return, or 2, hold it and sell it to another member, making the original 1,000 lizards turning into 5,000 lizards, making the lizards even more scarce. And so this would even make a common lizard a rare lizard, considering the extremely low numbers of supply, and there will only be 500 ever, which really stands out to me. And I think this will give the lizards some value. Why I've got this speculation? If you look at Mastodon Buttons, they've got the original 101 supply from their first drop, and the floor is 4,600 for that at the moment. Yes, there'll be 5 times more lizards out, but remember, they're only getting minted for 30.88. That's really is fuck all in the scheme of things, especially when it's so scarce. So there's no doubt in my mind, the floor will most likely give investors a good return on investment, and that's one of the reasons why I'll be dipping my fingers into this project. Another thing that I really like about this project is how transparent their developer is. So they've actually uploaded a YouTube video of their roadmap, and it really shows how devoted he is and just how open he is. You see most of these NFT projects, they won't show their face, they won't show their name, they've got nothing to lose. They're anonymous and they can just dip off, kind of like Gingerbread have. So this show of courage to show his face and to put his name on the line is amazing, and it gives me confidence as an investor that this project is here to stay and it will continue to grow. One other thing I really like is the numbers that they've got on social media, 1,300 followers on Twitter and 1,600 members on Discord. Everything looks nice and they're sitting pretty with their community. And considering there's only 1,000, I really do think these will sell out quite quick. They've got 1,000 NFTs, but only 1,600 Discord members. So not everyone can get one, so it will probably be a scramble and sell out in a couple minutes. So the demand for these lucky lizards will be quite high. There's also rumors of evolution and a lot coming in the future, but that's all speculation. But considering what the developers said and how well they've done so far, there's no doubt in my mind they have a bright future. And if they really put in the work, they can nail this. So I'm very impressed with Lucky Lizard Club, and I will try to get my hands on one of these for a mere 30.88, which is crazy considering there's only 1,000 of them and soon to be 500 of them. So well done to the team behind this, I love it. If you're interested in this drop like I am, the drop is on October 2nd at 6 PM UTC. So I'll see you there. And if you're not quite sure and you want to see through their Twitter, their Discord and their website, I'll leave all the valid links in the description. check it out. It's a great project. The second project that I'll be minting in the next couple days is Avocado Breakfast Club, which is a Cardano NFT collection of 6,666 unique avocados that are randomly generated from over 70 possible traits. And it's a project that caught my eye. Funnily enough, I found it 2 videos ago when I was explaining how I find CNFT projects. I was just scrolling through hashtag CNFT and I found these guys and I like what I saw. So I dived into it like I said I would, and I like what I see. And so I've decided to make this video today and tell you all about it. So what stands out to me about this project is the art, because it comes under a popular theme. Look at these NFTs. They're awesome, they're lighthearted, and they're very cute. And people love this stuff. On this channel, you'd know. We've seen it before. Baby Alien Club is a prime example. Something cute, something lighthearted, and something everyone likes. And I think Avocado Breakfast Club is in that same category. So I really think it could do well. Another thing they've really done well is to get a huge amount of Twitter followers so quickly. And they've done this through collaborating with numerous CNFT powerhouses, people with huge influence. As you can see, 270 retweets, 3,500 retweets, and 700 retweets on this one. So it's needless to say, they have nailed influencer marketing, really targeting Twitter. And you can see the discrepancy between Twitter and Discord. But as the Twitter followers go up, you'll see the Discord numbers go up too. So fair play to the team for awesome marketing. So other than the art and building up a huge community, they've also nailed their website, just making it super clear, super clean, and super concise, which is a good early sign. It shows they're professionals. So I really like what I see, and to tell you the truth, I just really want one of these avocados. They look awesome, and I do think they could give a good return on investment, considering how cute they are, and the hype that they're likely going to build in the next couple of days coming towards their launch. So I'll personally be minting these in roughly 4 days time from the time of recording this video, which is on October 3rd at 5 o'clock UTC, which is only in a couple days. So keep your eyes peeled. I'll also be running an NFT giveaway for these guys on my page, so stay tuned for that as well. The artwork is clean, the team have done a great work at marketing this, it's in a popular niche, and everything so far looks very professional. So I'll personally be minting this, and if you want to as well, I'll leave the link to their Twitter, their website, and their Discord, so you can get all the valid links so you can do your own research for yourself, which is very important. I don't have a crystal ball, I'm not a god, I don't know everything. So make sure you do your own research before investing in what I say. But anyway, that's 2 projects that I'll be minting in the next couple of days, and that I believe have potential to give me a good return on investment. I'm not saying this is something you should be doing, I'm just saying this is what I'm doing. So do due diligence and do your own research, and decide if you want to join me. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. And if you did, make sure you like this video because it helps my channel grow a lot and helps these projects grow too. And also subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any CNFT drops. And I'd love to continue to find these gems for you so it can push you in the right direction. While also subscribing to my YouTube, also follow me on Twitter. I do NFT giveaways every day and I talk about CNFTs often. So come follow me and join the discussion, and maybe win an NFT. I'm Ape Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.